What I like to do is I usually like to go ahead and wrap it, but a cheap option would to go ahead and scrape it and paint it and patch it in. And to go around and paint this might be like $1,500 to go around and paint just the soffits, the trim work, and then also the windows would be the same thing. You would go around and paint all that together. They can get up to maybe even $2,000. That's with material. It doesn't cost much just to go in there and paint that.
So from the gutter standpoint, how can this impact the foundation?
So one thing I would have said right when we walked up, look over there. You see how that gutter is disconnected? Yeah. Water's just going to be hitting right down right here, and you can see it right here where the dirt kind of went down. That's because the water was constantly running down right there, and what ends up happening is the water ends up going down. You know, it's a porous surface, so it goes all the way down to the foundation, and you'll get water below at the cracks. And if you don't have drain tile, it's going to consistently come in. So drain tile in a sump is usually what that's good for. So when we walk in, you'll look for that, or you just get the gutters fixed, and then you do a little bit of grading, getting these gutters fixed. So if you wanted to replace gutters, you're going to be around like maybe $6 to $8 per linear feet. The gutters itself are going to cost you around like $3 per linear feet just to get them. So on a house like this, it might be like $1,000 for the gutters, and then not including the labor, and you can just double that up.
Cheaper to do replace the gutter, fix the issue, than allowing it to happen and it messes with your foundation.